In this video, we are discussing final steps for Hadoop installation. So let us start with the steps. We shall go step by step for your easy understanding. So here is the first step for you. At first, we are going for name node setup. So after setting up all the XML and SH files which we have shown in the earlier videos, format the name node to activate the setup. So at first the name node is to be formatted to activate the setup. Then what is the command? Command is Hadoop name node minus format. So you are supposed to issue this one to format the name node and to activate the setup. Now run the two shell script files, two files are there. One is the start-dfs.sh and the one is the start-earn.sh. Two shell script files are to be started. Scripts to start and the Hadoop file system will be started accordingly. So how to start them? Just issue this command, that is a $Hadoop underscore install slash sbin slash start hyphen dfs.sh. Another file is there, that is a $Hadoop underscore install, and then we are having this slash sbin then slash start hyphen earn.sh. So these two shell script files are to be executed and we have shown you the respective commands. So when these two files will get executed and whenever you are going back to get your $prompt, then open the browser and give this URL there. That is the http://localhost:5070/. So just give this URL and you will be getting such screen coming. And having this particular screen will indicate that your Hadoop installation has been done successfully. So I think you are getting the steps how we can do the final steps in the Hadoop installation. Thanks for watching this video.